You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this English biblical scholar and linguist. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, history of Britain, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll love learning from. Pronounced as William Tyndale, not Tyndale. I know it looks like it could be pronounced Tyndale, but this surname is usually pronounced as Tyndale. How to pronounce English pronunciation, William Tyndale. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.